All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming live from Joburg, and good morning and welcome back to the opening bell with myself, Tshepo and Ashley. And this is brought to you by TD Markets and TD Markets Academy every Mondays to Fridays at 9, streaming live on YouTube. All right, welcome to a brand new month, month of July. Month of June was a pretty good one as far as market movements, as far as opportunities. It was a pretty decent one, if I may say so myself. But yeah, looking forward to this month, looking forward to market movements and opportunities we are going to get. All right. So this morning, the focus is on Bitcoin as well as Ethereum, as well as looking at the broader side of things. All right, so looking at the, and this will be update from the last session and commentary we had on the crypto. All right, so what has happened in the last 24 hours is that both Bitcoin and Ethereum have been consolidating. All right, underperforming broader equities amid rotation, ETF outflows, and Fed rate concerns. All right, so we're looking at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin, which has slipped below $59,000. Right, the last time we spoke about this, we had mentioned that there's a possibility this is going to go up to 60,000. Yeah, around that's just below $61,000, right? We spoke about that possibility, and then from there we spoke about how momentum could continue pushing price towards the downside. And as you can see with this bullish candle, it almost hit that price, and price fell after that. All right, so Bitcoin has slipped below $59,000 at the moment, with modest declines of about 2% and currently hovering around this key support level there, all right, or this key support zone. All right, so this is where price is right now, below that $59,000, and this is the current candle, right? Obviously, it is the morning right now, so this current candle suggests that there's no volume at the moment, right? And overall, volume has gone down. You look at both Ethereum and Bitcoin, volume has gone down in the past couple of days. So with this one here, I mean, it seems like we are getting a lower high there. All right, this candle hasn't closed, right? But as it looks right now, it seems like we're getting a lower high. Should the market confirm that lower high, then we're likely going to break towards the downside. All right. Also observing how the weekly candle is as well. All right. Also observing how the weekly candle is. So there's really nothing much to do on Bitcoin at the moment, except just observing price, except looking for patterns we can recognize. At the moment, we can see that price is just stuck around this zone. So it's it's consolidating. It's consolidating at the moment between I think let's round off these price levels. So 58,000. Oh my goodness. Yeah. That 58,000 and 60,000 or 61,000 there is consolidating, right? So we just have to just be patient and wait on any break, either towards the downside or towards the upside. But since the momentum is bearish, we would look for a break towards the downside, right? Unless things change, unless this changes towards the upside. So that's how Bitcoin is looking at the moment. You look at Ethereum. Ethereum also, the last time we spoke about it pushing back to the zone and then continue to move towards the downside. That possibility is still there. That possibility is still there, right? So as you guys can see, it's also consolidating. No trading volume has gone down, and so with this one here, we just need to wait. However, this one is forming a pattern, right? You will notice that unlike Bitcoin, this one is forming a continuation pattern, right? So now possibilities are high that it is going to continue dropping. Whether it first goes back to the top or not, probabilities are high that this is going to drop. All right. So, but Bitcoin is consolidating. There's no pattern on this one. Ethereum, at least there is, a continuation pattern similar to this one here, similar to this one where price fell. All right. So that is how, that's what's happening right now with the crypto. All right. Capital has rotated towards or into stocks as equities rallied or steadied while crypto saw outflows and selling pressure. And this has weighed on price alongside bets on Fed hikes and a stronger dollar. And then also there are some institutional demand concerns, right, that have developed after MicroStrategy or after Strategy, formerly known as MicroStrategy, started adjusting their Bitcoin handling. So there is a bit of institutional demand concerns there, right? Looking at Strategy adjusting their Bitcoin handling. All right. So yeah. So at the moment, this is how things are looking this morning, Wednesday morning on the crypto. At least Ethereum, there is a proper price action compared to Bitcoin. All right. So even though Bitcoin can still break towards the downside, but in terms of a pattern, Ethereum has a decent, proper pattern. So we're anticipating momentum to continue pushing price towards the downside. All right. So there we go, guys. There we go. Just nice and simple. We will, definitely give you guys updates throughout the week on the crypto. And yeah, let's see what's going to happen for these 3 days before Friday. All right. So yeah, so that's it for this morning's opening bell. Nice one, crypto outlook. And we will catch you guys on the next session. Have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your day and good luck.